What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is V, and I like to talk about mental health, beauty, and fashion. Okay, if you clicked on this video, then you're here for the ColourPop. You're here for the affordable makeup and eyeshadow, and I have another review for you guys. So today I'll be reviewing this Nude Mood palette that ColourPop recently came out with. I actually think it launches today at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm Central Standard Time, so it's like 12 o'clock my time. But yeah, so I just actually received this package today, so I filmed it after work so I can get it up for you guys. I hope you guys really like the video. So if you're interested in this collection and how it will look on maybe dark skin or just in general how the swatches will look, then make sure you guys keep on watching. But first, if you like the vibe, if you like the mood, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up and say what's good, be subscribed down below, and let's get right into the video. Alright, so I recently received a nude palette from ColourPop. I know it's been a while since my last review, but this is my next PR package from them since that last palette. I think they took a little bit of a break on releases. I did see they released a couple palettes here or there, but I didn't receive those. But the palette that I did receive today is called Nude Mood, and it's yet another neutral nude palette from ColourPop. And this is one of their 9-pan palettes. Similar, you know, like during the summer they were doing all these different 9-pan. I was thinking about doing a ColourPop video where I like show all the palettes that I have if you guys are interested, because all of the ones I do have I have not done a review on. I recently just started doing reviews on the eyeshadow palettes that I've been receiving. So I'll just read you guys what is on this little insert that they had in my package. It says, can you get, wait, that's not what it says. It says, can we get you in the mood? Nude Mood palette. When all you want is a good nude, our newest 9-pan eyeshadow palette is full of perfect warm tone nudes that can wear day or night. So it's supposed to be a universal palette that you can just kind of throw in your bag and you can create both daytime and nighttime type looks. So we'll see, and I'll show it to you guys in just a minute. And I also got the Can't Bear It Lip Crayon Duo, which this is another one of their like lip balm duos. Tinted, they're like tinted balms basically, is what they are. And also the Real Thing Super Shock highlighter, which I kind of peeked at the packaging, and I can't wait to show you guys that as well. Also, like I said, pardon how I'm looking. I did my makeup really quick, but I just got off work. I work nights, just got off at like 6 a.m. I saw I got this package, did my makeup real quick so I can go ahead and do this review for you guys. Alright, so I want to go ahead and show you guys the palette. So it's very, very small, especially compared to the last couple palettes that I've been showing you guys. So this is how little it is. Literally can fit in my hand. Open it up. And boom. Lovely neutrals. So yeah, it's cute. I will say I don't feel like it's anything super spectacular that I will look at and be like, I need this in my collection, unless you're just one of those people that just loves buying eyeshadows. But because I feel like the colors that are in here I have either in a single or in another eyeshadow palette, to be honest. They're pretty basic. But if you're new to makeup, or if you're just looking for a neutral nude palette to like take with you on the go or something like that, I feel like that's what these kind of palettes are for. I don't feel like they're necessarily for people that already have a bunch of eyeshadows and a bunch of colors and varieties and stuff, because it doesn't really offer that much for you. I feel like it's just good if you're trying to travel or you just need something to throw in your purse. So I will go ahead and say that. As far as ColourPop, I always love their metallic shadows. What I'm concerned about is this one right here, and how it's going to show up on this dark skin. Okay, the two light ones. So I will be doing some swatches for you guys. I'll insert it maybe here or somewhere. I usually just swatch it and then show you guys like a little video of that. So I will input that into the video so you can see it on my skin tone, for those of you that are darker skin tone and you want to see what it looks like on dark skin. So the next thing that I received, and let me make sure I say it right, the Real Thing Super Shock highlighter, and I am shook. Look at this. Look at this. Look at it. This packaging is bomb. It makes it feel like, it makes me feel like I'm important. And hold on, I gotta peel the sticker off. It has a mirror. And if you've seen my last video, y'all know how much I love mirrors. Like, if you got a mirror in the palette, I'm almost sold, because you can never have enough mirrors in your eyeshadow palette. Look at this. What? Excuse my eyelashes. Look, you can see me. and we're creating like this endless mirror thing. But anyway, look how big the mirror is, and this is the actual highlighter. So pretty. Let me put it on my finger. Ooh, it is like super buttery, just like, actually, I mean, I guess it makes sense because they call it a Super Shock highlighter, but it does have the similar consistency of the Super Shock shadows. So very like smooth. I can't wait to see what it's like when I'm actually putting it on my face. I already did my base, so I could just play around with the eyeshadow, the highlighter, and the lip balms for you guys so you can see it on my skin. But like, this is, come on now. And unfortunately, they didn't give me prices, but I can find them and I'll put them down below for you guys for reference. But it's ColourPop. It's going to be super affordable. It's probably between $7 and $10 for the highlighter if I had to guess. So there's the highlighter. And then the last thing that I got is the Can't Bear It Just a Tint Lip Crayon Bundle. And this is what their lip crayons look like. I'm sure if you guys are familiar with my channel or any other ColourPop reviews, they usually include a lip tint in the bundle. They usually include a lip tint or a gloss. Alright, so this is a pretty simple palette. So I'm probably going to do a simple, basic look. You know what I'm saying? I think it was inspired because soft glam is kind of in right now. And this is like screaming soft glam. I don't know. Well, let's try this ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer in the shade Dark 120W, and I use it on my lid because it is a little lighter than my skin tone to like prime my eyelid. Alright, so I prime my eyelids. Yeah, I feel like I forgot to do makeup. But anyway, I'm going to go into my crease with like a little smoke out color, like, you know, the beauty influencers do. I'm going to use this cocoa color because, boom, can you see that? Hello. It is like a brownish orangey color. It's cocoa. So we're going to take that and I'm going to put it right up in here to blend out. Because I want to put the darker brown here. And I want to put a shimmer. Sorry, I'm looking at my mirror if you guys didn't know. I want to put a shimmer in the middle. So that's the plan. Will it go that way? Probably not. This eye, I always do this eye better than this eye. It's so weird. I feel like the eye shape is different. Or maybe because it's across my face from and I'm right-handed. I don't know. Does that even make sense? Probably not. Alright, so here, okay. And don't be looking at my legs either. Here is, I put it into my little crease area. Here's the, and it's called the Cocoa. I don't know why they put the in front of it, but okay. And then I'm gonna take Moody, which is like more of a chocolatey brown, and I'm gonna do it in the outer corner. I've tried like starting in the inner corner going outward. I don't know. I feel like I've been getting all discombobulated. So I'm gonna just try to stick to what I know. Y'all ever had a moment where you filming and you think you filming, but you actually film you talking shit after you was filming? That's what I just did. Okay, so so now I'm going to go put on airs in the middle. It's calling my name, period. So what we gonna do? We gonna put on airs in the middle part right here, right up in there. Oh my gosh, y'all see this? It's a pretty copper, and like that was just one tap of my finger. Look at my eyelid. Oh, that's pretty. If ColourPop don't know how to do nothing else, they know how to do some metallics. I'm gonna tell you. So I'll blend this in with this color up here. Just cause we ain't really trying to do too much. We trying to be cute, but not like full out cut crease. Okay, I've decided I'm gonna make it a halo-ish eye because I'm not that good at making halo eyes, but I'm just gonna go back in with that brown color because I was gonna put this white color on there, but I chickened out. Alright, so we're done with the eyes for now. Yeah, this is the little vibage we got going on. It's so cute. I love me a gold metallic, bronzy metallic on the lid. Like, it gives me life. So let's get into this, baby. So here's the highlighter, and then what else is the name of it? The Real Thing. I feel like it's gonna be interesting. Let me swipe. Okay, so we're going to. But yeah, that's kind of how it's popping right now. I might have to layer a little bit more because personally I like a blinding highlight. Okay, so the last thing in this bundle that I have to try is these lip tints, which honestly they're never been my favorite because I've never been a lip tint type girl. Either I want like color or I want no, like, you know what I mean? I want a gloss or I want like a lipstick. I've never really like tinted balms. Like, because I expect them to show up and they don't. Like, I swatched it here, but like when it's on my lips, it's not gonna show up like that. So it just be playing with my emotions. Like, sis, my lips too black. Where did the pigmentation go? Can you see it? I don't. Then if I was just looking for a balm or something on my lips. But I do feel like if you have fair or lighter skin, then it'll show up. So I kind of get like why you would like that. But for my darker skin, I feel like it doesn't show up that much. This one is showing up a little bit better on camera, but Final thoughts. Like the palette. Wish I had a more golden highlighter because I don't know. I'm gonna have to play around with it because my initial impression of this highlighter is the packaging and the mirror and everything is really cool. But I didn't like the color that much. It's more of like a rose gold color, and I feel like it looks natural, but it looks like it's sitting on top of my skin. And also I feel like it's not quite the highlight color that I need. I don't know. It's so cute and so little. Like I said, if you're new to makeup in general, ColourPop is very affordable, and this will be a good palette to get if you're just looking for something to start off with and to do like a nude natural look like this. And it was super easy. The palette, the eyeshadows are very like blendable. They're really good at blending out, and they're also pretty pigmented as well. Like the brown, these two browns did really well. What do you guys think about this small little collection that just came out with? Give me a thumbs up if you like these type of videos and you would like me to continue to do ColourPop PR unboxings and reviews and demos for you guys. If you have suggestions, please leave it down below. Like always, thank you guys for watching. Welcome to the B Squad if you just subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay.